Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Auberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 30th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla is coming down a little bit. So we came down $15.85. That's 1.46%. We closed at 1070.34. Post market, we are down a further 3 cents almost. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. Okay, so we have been touching this resistance here for the past 3 days. And today we did not go as high and we came down to the support that we had. So let me find exactly which support we touched. So it's 1054.69. 1064, and we have a low today of 1053.15. So 1054.69. So basically we came down a little bit on that support, and we have a longer wick here at the top. All of this area here was pushed down. So if we have had more buying pressure, the green candle would have gone up to the high of the day at 1095. But the sellers were stronger, so this is why we came down right here. This is showing a little bit of a selling pressure here. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So the first candle is right here. So we have a green candle, but we opened quite low. We opened at 1061, and the low of that first candle was 1053.15. So we even touched the support that we are looking at first thing in the morning. Then we came up. But as I always mention, look at this here. Stochastic was not over 60. So this move up was not going to last. Just by looking at stochastic, we can know that. And what did happen? The last 4 candles have been going down here, and we are down also opening here. Let's hope that we are going to at least keep 1054.69, waiting for the delivery numbers and the production numbers that Tesla should be able to tell us sometimes on January 2nd or 3rd. So stochastic on the hourly chart, as I mentioned, at 26, RSI below 50. MACD had already crossed over bearish a long time ago, several days ago. And the DMI getting close to a bearish breakover. It might not get there because the DMI that I am using is a 21 days. That's 21 candles. It can take a little while. But basically, we see this drop, and we could do something like this, a small resistance here just to keep track of this, like this. Okay, going back to the daily chart, I'm just going to move this to green. So stochastic is still at 64. So daily wise, things are still not gone. Stochastic is over 60. So the stock can move back up. There's no problem on that side here. RSI over 50. MACD still crossed over bullish, and the DMI still crossed over bullish. Let's see if 1054 is going to hold. To me, that's the big enigma. So is it going to hold tomorrow? We are Friday. And then over the weekend, we are going into the new year. So depending on when Tesla is going to announce their production numbers, this can have an impact. It does not have as much as an impact as the earnings call, because people like to look at profits and everything. But we can know that if the production numbers went up, of course, the profits will also go up. Let's just watch 1054.69 tomorrow and see what happens with that. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.